Someone big up the corner shop, big up my lane, big up my block.
Hey, newspaper really not make no sense again, you know. All of this wasted paper. Might as well them cut it out and we stick to online. Watch it. All of them news I read already from morning on Facebook and Instagram. Punky!
Yes, Auntie?
You finished writing up the lunch orders?
I almost finished, Auntie. I almost finished. But Auntie, I don't know if orders we get today, do you know?
You should have used to Wednesday by now. You do a ramp with Jamaicans and them stew peas. Anyway, look around there, say you see my phone pan charge. Bring it come for me, please.
Alright. Auntie, the battery is 69%.
69.
Yeah.
You try to turn up wait till it reach 70, then you bring it home. Chris, you can make your way for the deliveries now. And do me a favor now, please. Stop at the cash pad place and buy number 3 for me. 2 by 2 and number 5. No, sorry, yes. Number 17, 5 by 1. Alright, thanks.
One thing we did with Auntie, you're not left out the cash party?
You know me take my dream them serious. And the last time Lionel dream me, it play and me miss it. Me now miss it this time.
Auntie, I know number 3 are dead. But why you buy 17?
17 are all dead. And them say all dead bring new dead. So me now take no chance.
New dead?
Punky, just hurry up with the order them now please. You're not interested in a gambling yet till you ask them most questions.
Auntie, another thing, it just sounds scary, this old dead, new dead thing. Then again, now over 10 years now Uncle Lionel dead. And he never dead that old neither. You can go on, every time he see you have a new phone.
You can watch out my business, eh?
Oh, this after me not blind.
I say that, but you know, me have to keep up the image.
Sure. You too hot.
Like the weather. Hello. Yes. Yeah, man, I'm so forward, man. Today I'm busy day, you know. I enough delivery there for today, you know. No more your head, man. I promise, when we finish, we have a circle you. Yeah. Alright. So, what you say now, baby?
It's Marjorie with a good food.
Yeah, better.
After the everybody.
Peter, you can make a grand entrance anywhere you go eat.
And that me I say, we hear her before we see her. No, where you going to from this petal?
Don't care. At the last time I got to tell you to stop calling me mister. I never used to teach you at school. All people.
So hold on then. Me all.
Not Miss Marjorie. Come on now. You're not all. You're good as. Them young girls can walk in your shows. Miss Marjorie. But just calling me sort of respect. That don't mean you're all.
So, you talk to Punky says I jump down on her.
Chris, you're wicked, eh? You see me jump on nobody, eh?
You know what I mean. Same as what you tell Auntie say you call her Miss Kaya, you respect her, the same reason.
I petal my name. You don't worry about me, I respect.
Better what size 2 is.
One small one of gravy. Enough gravy. So Chris, I'm gonna see the bike out of front.
Step up in a life.
Rotted! Big man a spend on you.
Come, Chris. See the order in here. Come, Peter. Punke, turn on the radio quick there, so 1 o'clock.
Alright, Auntie.
And the lucky number is 33. The mark for 33 is church.
What? Auntie, you win, man. Him play 3-2 time. How, Auntie?
The man is under 29. Me don't know how me make that list me.
Under 29?
Yes, he play pastor in a church.
Why, Auntie Marge? No, I'm so stupid. Woman, them cook and time, man. One meat, nothing nice, sir. Hey, stupids, that's stupids without pigtail, no? If I did that for the church, I stay far from the pig.
Miss Petal, sorry. Petal, why you say that?
You never read the Bible, girl? You never hear the story when Jesus cast out the demon out of the people them and sent it to the pig?
That's in the Bible?
Yeah, girl.
I always think I just the rest of them just want bonfire and pork for whatever reason.
No, girl. Pigs supposed to curse. But you know, we can't understand. From them time till now, when Jesus cast the demon out of the people and sent it to the pig them go join themselves. And that the story from before Wappy killed Philip.
Nah, don't stop trying to figure that out, don't it? Till it mad you, don't it?
Nah, my Auntie Marge. And the last time I talk about it. But you know what? I just feel guilty every time I eat it. I feel like me a sin.
Stop your foolishness.
Right here. Anyway, I go back and look at us playing.
Walk good, my dear.
Walk. Auntie Marge. Be a come pick me up.
I beg your pardon.
No, sir.
Auntie, you know, Sister Petal start bleach.
She soon start again. Nobody can put petal on practice.
Auntie, from she there with Ras Roach she stop. You know, Sister A, so she eat every Wednesday. She can't eat no pork around him.
What are we doing with this disease?
Auntie, this is the ghetto. Nobody knows a secret.
Marjorie! Lord God, do. Tell Festus me gone.
Down here. You know you cannot hide. Anywhere you go, I find you. Your smell alone just always.
What you want, Festus?
You.
Ew! This is like you know.
Festus, I beg you, go on back where you come from.
Alright. Sell me a big box, full it up, and decide to kill. Me big tail I'm referring to. You mind what you doing?
Mr. Festus. Uncle Festus. When I was coming up the road, you by chance see Chris down the road?
Chris. Yes, you know, him sweeps past me in a lady wagon. A nice round girl on the front seat. Like Come from uptown. By your heart.
No, uncle, no.
Nothing. Nothing. I was once young too, no child. But if you say nothing is nothing.
Uncle, me not like Chris. Chris is not my type.
Me I notice you from where you know. But me I go and observe.
Auntie, what am I do?
You not do it yet.
Lord Marjorie! What's the matter with you? She have yam salt, she have nature too. I'm going like you and no more rudeness.
Festus, leave my place.
Alright. She's 90 now. Give the child a break. She must get a little break.
Festus!
Alright. Me don't leave. Me, oh no, me top take break. Lunch time are my favorite.
Someone big up the corner shop.